Welcome to your channel, Motivation, Success and Love. We will see in this video if Jesus said anything about homosexuality. It's a controversial subject. There are churches that forbid same-sex marriage and others that dissolve it. We actually have this answer here. Love in all its forms is natural and pure and is not opposite to peace. If you are gay, you have to trust yourself and stop looking for the halal and the forbidden. You are not doing anything wrong and you do not commit any crime when you are practicing your sexual orientation. In this world, there is a great diversity of creatures. Love is a form of diversity. No one can deny love or prevent one person from loving another. You have to accept others and their inclinations. Others must also be receptive to a person's homosexual orientation. The world is evolving, so don't worry, and everyone's rights will be guaranteed. The world is no longer a place for the backward who want to restrict freedoms. You have to be completely free and trust yourself and your inclinations. It's no known whether Christ, Jesus, or others have outlawed homosexuality, and all that is published is different opinions. After all, love is a form of rights. Never compromise in defending your right. You have the right to live life. You have the right to live the life you want. Thank you for following the channel, and if you like the video, click the subscribe and like buttons.